How to create Robinhood Wallet. If you want to create a Robinhood Wallet, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Robinhood app from your app store if you are an iPhone user, or from Play Store if you are an Android user. Now, second step is to click on the search bar and open Robinhood, and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap the crypto tab, or you can also search for Bitcoin or Ethereum, and there look for enable wallet and tap it. Now follow the on-screen instruction to activate your account. Next step is that you need to verify your identity. So use a valid photo ID, take a selfie to confirm your identity, and wait for approval. So this is how you can create a wallet in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.